Okay, good afternoon all. So last class we discussed about after and before. Yes? So we discussed after and before. Okay? Ivania, what's the meaning of after? Unmute and tell me answer, Ivania. What's the meaning of after? Very good, Ivania. Good girl. Okay. Now Hadia. Hadia, unmute. What's the meaning of before?
Before.
Meaning of before. The screen is before you. So what's the meaning of before? You forgot. The meaning of before is in front of. Okay, Hadia. What's the meaning of before?
In front of.
In front of. Okay, good. Now today we are going to discuss between. Okay, between. Sankalp, what's the meaning of between? Unmute and tell me. Sankalp, what's the meaning of between? Sankalp, unmute the device and tell me answer. What's the meaning of between? Between means middle. Okay, between means middle. Today we are discussing the number which comes in the middle of two numbers. Okay, and let me take the board. So we completed last day before and after, and today we are going to discuss between. And these are positional words, and they will say the position of the numbers. So all are ready with the notebook and pencil, so we can write together. So all of you please write W-R-I-T-E. What's the word?
Right.
Right. Right, Hadia. Shisa, Hadia, right. Take notebook and write. W-R-I-T-E, right. Take a new page and write. Okay. Take a new page and write. Right. T-H-E. The. Write the. N-U-M-B-E-R.
Number.
Write the number. T-H-A-T. That. Write the number that. T-H-A-T. That. Shankar Krishna, are you writing? Yes. C-O-M-E-S. Comes. Write the number that comes. Write the number that comes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Write the number that comes. What will be the next word?
Between.
It is between. So write the number that comes between the two numbers. Between the two numbers.
Win.
Write the number that comes between the two numbers. So between means at the middle. Write the number that comes between the two numbers.
Man, now finish.
Able Anjali completed?
No.
Okay, right? Write the number that comes between the two numbers. Write the number that comes between the two numbers. Between means in the middle. Shall we start A?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, right. And I will call out the name, they will give the answer. Okay, others please be quiet. Okay, others please be quiet. And we have number A. And Fardeen, tell me the answer. Fardeen, unmute and tell me the answer. Okay, and we have 9, dash, 11. What is the number at the middle? Or what is the number in between 9 and 11? Fardeen, tell me answer. Fardeen, tell me the answer. Unmute the device and tell me answer. 9 dash 11. Fardeen, unmute first.
9 dash 11.
What is the answer? We have the number 10. 9, 10, 11. The number between 9 and 11 is 10. Okay, good boy. Then we will move to the next number. Next question, that is B. And B we have Hala, tell me the answer. Okay, and we have the numbers 19 dash 21. What's the number? 19 dash 21. Hala, tell me the answer. Unmute and tell me answer.
20.
20. Good girl. Okay, we have the number 20. 19, 20, 21. Then we will move to next one. And we have C. And C, Ananya, be ready. Okay. And Ananya, we have the numbers 50, dash, 52. Ananya, what is the number?
1.
51. Good girl. We have the number 51. 50, 51, 52. 50, 51, 52.
Now finish.
Okay, right. 50, 51, 52.
Finish.
And we will move to the next one, that is D. And D we have numbers. Nomiga, tell me the answer. Next one, okay? And we have the number 13, dash 15. What's the number in between 13 and 15? Nomiga, unmute and tell me answer. Nomiga, what is the answer? 13 dash 15.
40.
The answer is 14. 1, 4. 1, 4, 14. And next we have E. And E we have the numbers. Jeffrey and D ready, okay? And we have the number 43, dash 45. What's the number between 43 and 45, Jeffrey?
40.
The number is 44. The number is 44. The number is 44. And next we have F. Avish Pavan, please switch on the video. Okay, Avish Pavan, it's next question for you, okay? And we have F, 89, comma dash 91. What's the number between 89 and 91? Unknown. 90. Very good. We have 89, 90 and 91. So 89, 90, 91. So 89, 90, 90. So next we have next type of exercise, that is we are comparing, okay? We are comparing numbers. And when we took our class, we can see there are smaller one, smallest one is there and biggest one is there. No, I cannot say now who is the smallest and who is the biggest because I don't know. So if you are in the class, I can identify who is the smallest one in the class or who is the biggest one in the class. The same thing we are doing in the numbers also. Okay, I will give you two number and you have to find out which is the smaller one and the other exercise which is a bigger one. And first we will do which is a smaller one. Okay, and for that you have to take a new page. This we completed. Take a new page. Take a new page.
Manopinesh.
Okay, you're right. After that only you have to take a new page.
I'm finished.
Okay. Somebody is still writing. Let them complete. Lukma. And you have to take a new page for next one. Okay? We have to take a new page. And write. Okay? CIRCLE. What is the word CIRCLE? It's very common, no? It's familiar to you. CIRCLE. Circle. THE. Circle the SMALLER. 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 Okay? Smaller one. Circle the
Smaller.
number. NUMBER. Circle the smaller number. See, smaller number. It's very important. We have to circle the smaller number. I will give you two numbers. You have to identify and circle it. Which is the smaller one that you have to circle it. Circle the smaller one or circle the smaller number. Here we are comparing only two numbers. That's why we put smaller. And if there are more than two, we will say smallest. Okay. Here we are doing first one smaller. Means we have only two numbers. Are you ready for the first one? A. Are you ready for the first one?
Yes.
Okay. And we have Shisa, tell me the answer. Okay. 8,5. Which is a smaller number? Smaller number, Shisa? Shisa, tell me the answer. Which is a smaller number?
5.
5. So we can circle the number 5. We can circle the number 5. Is it easy? Is it easy?
Yes.
Okay.
Mappinesh.
Okay. Then we will move to the next one, B. And B we have Esther, tell me the answer. Okay, and we have the number 19,90. Which is the smallest one? Smaller one is the 19 or 90? 19. Good. So we have the answer 19. Okay, this is a smaller one. And we have to see next one, and next we have C. And C we have Abel Anthony, tell me the answer. Okay, and see, we have the numbers 39, 38. Which is the smaller one, Abel?
38.
Very good. Good boy. The answer is 38. The answer is 38.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. And D for Johan. Okay, Johan, tell me the answer. And we have the numbers 65, 56. Which is a smaller one, Johan?
56.
Very good. It is 56. 56. So 56 is the smaller one, smaller number. And next we have E. Next we have E. And E we have Allah Arun, tell me the answer. Okay? Allah Arun, tell me the answer. We have the number 39 and 19. Allah, tell me the answer, which is a smaller number?
90.
Very good. The answer is 19. 19. And next for Abhinav TS. Okay, last one. And we have F. And F we have 45, 41. Abhinav, which is a smaller one?
41.
Very good. The answer is 41. The smaller number is 41. So now you understood how to circle the smaller one. Okay. Now let me go to the next one, bigger one.
Yes.
Okay. So take a new page. Take a new page.
And open it.
Okay, right. Those who completed, take a new page. Lamis, Fardeen, Nomika, please switch on the video. Fardeen completed. Shall we move to next exercise?
No.
No,
Repeat.
writing.
അപ്പൊ അവിടെ കുഴപ്പമില്ല നമുക്ക് തക്കാലം എന്നുള്ളതേ കണ്ടില്ലേ
Fardeen, shall we move to next one? Next type?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you have to take a new page. CIRCLE. What is the word CIRCLE?
Ma'am.
Tell me.
Circle.
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 THE.
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 BIGGER. Big.
Bigger.
Circle the bigger. Circle the bigger number. Circle the bigger number.
Circle the bigger
That's the
number.
opposite of the first exercise. That means here we are circling the bigger number. Here we are circling the bigger number. And we have A.
A-P-I-T-T-E-R.
Sarah, tell me the first answer. Okay. And we have the number. Yes. Sarah, we have the first question. Sarah, tell me the answer. Okay. We have the numbers 9, 10. It's a bigger one, Sarah.
10.
Very good. The number is 10. Good girl. Okay. And we have answer. And next we have B. And B we have, Rukma, tell me the answer, okay? And we have the number 15, 51. Which is a bigger one, Rukma?
51.
Very good. The answer is 51. Good. 51. And next for Rayan Salish. Okay. Next we have C. And C we have the numbers 69, 96. Which is a bigger number, Rayan?
96.
69, 96. Which is a bigger number?
96. 96.
96. Good boy. The answer is 96. And we have D. And Devarsh, tell me the answer, okay? And D we have 50, 60. Devarsh, tell me the answer, which is a bigger one, bigger number.
60.
60. Good boy, good boy. So we have the bigger number 60. Next for Ishan Krishna. Ishan, you have the numbers 76, 70. Bigger number. Ishan, tell me the answer.
76.
Very good. The answer is 76. The bigger number is 76. And next we have F. Next we have F.
76.
And F we have Shankar Krishna, tell me the answer for next one. Okay, Shankar. And we have the numbers 87, 88. Bigger number.
88.
Very good. It is 88. 88. 88. 88. So we completed this exercise and we will move to the next one. Okay. Here I give only two numbers and we find out the smaller or bigger one. Next we are going to find out the smallest. Not only two, we have four numbers. Out of these four numbers, we have to find out which is the smallest one. Okay.
Okay.
Take a new page. Take a new page and we will write the question.
Happiness.
Okay, okay. Take a new page. All of you please take a new page and write. Okay. And we have to write W-R-I-T-E. Right? Sorry, not right. It's circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle.
I-R.
C-I-R-C-L-E. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. T-H-E. Circle the. Circle the
Smallest.
smallest. Very good. S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T. Circle the smallest. Circle the smallest. Circle the smallest number. Smallest. Circle the smallest number. And we have first one. And we have the first one A. Circle the smallest number. So we have to look at the numbers carefully. Then only we have to tell me the answer. Okay? It's for Krishnang. Okay, Krishnang? And we have the numbers 26, 18, 43, and we have 32. Krishna, tell me which is the smallest one out of these four numbers. Unmute and tell me the smallest one. We have 26, 18, 43, 32. Smallest one,
26.
26 is the smallest one. Look at carefully, see 26. 10 space we have 2 and 1 space we have 6. Here there are 2 tens. 18.
18.
18 we have 1 10 and 8 ones. 43 we have 4 tens and 3 ones. 32 we have 3 tens and 2 ones. So which is the smallest one, Krishna?
18.
It is 18. Look at the numbers carefully, then tell me the answer. Okay? So the answer is 18. Answer is 18. And next we have B. B for Aman. Okay? And we have the numbers 47, 92, 98, 84. Aman, unmute and tell me the answer. And we have the numbers 47, 92, 98, 84. Smallest one.
7.
Very good. The number is 47. The number is
7.
4 tens and 7 ones. 47. And we have next C. Next for Elroy. And Elroy we have the numbers 85, 98, 71, 93. Which these are the numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the smallest one, Elroy?
71.
It is 71. Good boy. The answer is 71.
Happiness.
Okay. 71. And next we have D. And D we have. Lamis, please switch on the video and tell me the answer. Okay, Lamis. And we have the numbers 31, 51, 91, 81. Lamis, tell me the answer. Which is the smallest one? Sorry. Lamis, unmute the system, unmute and tell me answer. We have 31, 51, 91, 81. Smallest one.
91.
Smallest, not a big. Smallest.
81.
Very good. We have the number 31. The answer is 31. Good girl. And next we have E. Next we have E. Sorry.
Happiness.
And E we have the numbers. E we have 20, 30, 50 and 10. And the question is for Nilha. Nilha, tell me the answer. Unmute and tell me answer. We have the numbers 20, 30, 50, 10. Smallest one.
30.
Small one.
10.
Look at the number carefully and listen the question carefully and tell me the answer. And we have the answer is 10. And we have the next one, F. And F we have, F we have 11, 31, 21, 61. Shisa, unmute and tell me answer. 11, 31, 21, 61. What is the answer?
11.
11. The answer is 11.
Sorry.
And next we have the biggest number. Okay. So take a new page. Take a new page.
Happiness.
Okay. Take a new page.
Yes.
And write. Okay. CIRCLE.
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 C.
CIRCLE. Circle. The, what will be the next word?
Biggest
Biggest. 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 Biggest number. Circle the biggest number.
I.
Circle the biggest number.
S. T. Biggest.
And we have the first one.
N.
14, 24,
N.
64,
M.
44.
E. R.
Abel Andre, tell me the answer. Biggest one. 14, 24, 64, 44.
44.
Is it 44? Look at the numbers carefully once more. 14, 24, 64, 44.
44.
Biggest. 14 we have 1 10 and 4 ones. 24 2 tens and 4 ones. 64 6 tens and 4 ones. 44 4 tens and 4 ones. Which is the biggest number? Biggest.
40.
Biggest number. Look at the number carefully once more.
64.
We have the number 64. 64 is the biggest number. And next we have B. Hadia, what are you doing there? And next question for Hadia. Okay. And we have the number 70, 60, 40, 50. Hadia, tell me the answer. Which is the biggest one? Hadia, unmute and tell me the answer. 70, 60, 40, 50. Biggest number.
70, 40, 50.
Biggest number.
70.
Good girl. So that we have the answer 70. And next we have C. And C we have.
Now finish.
Okay, right. So C we have 5, 1, 7, 10. Abhinav, which is the biggest number? 5, 1, 7, 10. What's the biggest number? Which is biggest number? 5, 1, 7, 10.
10.
The answer is 10. See, 5, 1 and 7, they all are one digit number and 10 is a two digit number. 10 is a two digit number. Okay. So 10 we can circle. Next we have D.
No finish.
Okay, okay. You don't worry, Abel. It's only 2 more questions. This I will put in the WhatsApp group now itself after this class. Okay. This time only 3 minutes for me. So let me write. D. We have the number 65, 56, 95, 15. See? 65, 6 tens and 5 ones. 56, 5 tens and 6 ones. 95, 9 tens and 5 ones. 15, 1 10 and 5 ones. Okay? Ishan Krishna, tell me answer which is the biggest one. Ishan.
95.
It is 95. 95. And next we have D. Next we have E. And E we have 21, 81, 31, 90. Allah, unmute and tell me answer. 21, 81, 31, 91.
91.
Good girl. We have the answer 91. And we have the last one. Okay? The last one. See, this I will put in the WhatsApp. No need to worry about it. Okay? F we have 35, 55, 25, 85. Tell me answer. What's the biggest number? Last question. 35, 55, 25. Johan?
85.
It is 85. It is 85. So, this is the last question for today. And then next class we will continue with the comparing numbers. Okay? Comparing numbers. Okay, good boy, good boy. Okay, okay, Amma. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, then I'm going to end the session today. Thank you all. See you next class.
Thank you,
See you next class.